Hello friends, this is part 2 of making Block Blaster game in Scratch. We will continue from rocket ship appearance. So we have to take in events and when green flag clicked from events and then in looks and scroll down and take show from there. You can see there set size to -%. We have to take this and put it there and erase the 100% like this and write there 40% like this. Okay, then you have to go in motions and take their point in direction block, yes there is, and erase it and write there 180 like this. You have to take point in direction from motions where it is point in direction x and y. You have to take this block and set x to -200. We will first erase it and write there -200, and in y we will write 0 like this. Erase it and 0. Okay, then we have to go in variables and take this block, set my variable to 0 and put it there, and then change my variable by score like this. Yes, and set score to 0. Okay, then you have to go in controls like this. There are controls and take forever block from this, and then take if then block like this and put it inside forever block like this, and go to sensing, take the key space pressed question mark and then change space by right arrow, and then you will go in motions and there is change x by, I cannot find it, yes there is change x by. You will take this block and put it there in the if and forever, and change x by will remain same. Then you have to take another if then block and then put it inside the forever block but in not if block like this. Yes, and then you have to go in sensing and key space pressed and put it there like the upper one and change it by left arrow like this, and then you have to go in motions, scroll down like this and take change x by there and change 10 by -10 like this. Okay, next you have to take if then block, no forever no, if then block like this and put it there. You go in sensing, key space pressed, repetition, and then change it by up arrow like this, and then go in motions, scroll down like this and change y by and put it there, and change y by will remain same 10. Okay, next you have to scroll down this screen because it is smaller. Then you have to repeat that process. You have to go in controls, then if, and then sensing, then key space pressed and put it there, and change it by down arrow, key space pressed and down arrow, and then go in motions category and change y by this one and put it there inside the if and change it by -10 like this. -10. Yes, it's done. So Our rocket ship appearance is done. When we go to rocks, this is our rocket ship appearance. You can see, you can zoom it. Wait for part 2. Till then, bye bye.